Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to use my props and how to use some other techniques, especially for beginners. So let's start by the road signs. You can see this folder in here. You have the different props. You can just drag and drop in your viewport like this, and it will be placed directly on the grid. So this is from the front. Let's just rotate it. And this is from the back, how it looks. It's completely textured. So you can just double click on the material and adjust the color, brightness, the metallic intensity. You can decrease it or increase it. The roughness if you want it more glossy and reflective. So these are just the parameters of the master material that I created. It will be included as well. So if you want to change the road sign here, just click on the circle folder and click on materials folder and choose one of these and just drag and drop it here, and it will be updated on the viewport like this. For the reflections, I'm using the sphere reflection capture with a brightness of 2.8 and a big influence radius. So if you don't use this one, you won't get these reflections of the metallic, so you must use it. So if you click on play, and it won't be updated in the gameplay, you just need to go to build and click on build reflection captures and wait for it. Now the shader's finished compiling, so you can see all the reflections here in the metallic surface, and as well they have collision too, so the player is colliding with the road signs. You can increase the scale of each sign, it's up to you. And these are the road fence and the road. So I'm going to show you how these work too. Okay, so anyway, we've got the fence folder. You can see this fence mesh, which is tilable, and its material with the textures on it, and the blueprint of the fence spline. So drag and drop it in the viewport, and let's just scale it up just a little, and click on this point, switch to move mode, and hold Alt and drag this one. That's good. Keep dragging it. You can adjust the position too. Click F to frame on the point. You can just change the handler of the curve like this to get some variation. So that's it for the fence. So let's test it again. So it's colliding. It has the collision mesh too. So let's move to the road and see how it works. Okay, let's go far away. Just here. I'm just going to show you an example. So when you need to add the road, you just go to the road with fence, if you prefer it with fence, so they are tied together, or you just need the road itself. You can just click on the road here, and here's the mesh. So anyway, click on the landscape and manage, and go to edit splines. So first you need to click on control and right click button on the mouse to create a point. This is called a control point. It has the width and side follow-up. To create the segment, just hold Control again and click elsewhere to connect them together. So we have 3 points here. You can just click on control points here to select them all and adjust the width. So let's try 200. And the side fall-off, which will be the bottom layer, it will paint it automatically. Let's try 202. So now click on segments and click on only selected. If you have other splines or like this one that I created too, it's a row too, we get them all updated. So we want only this one to be updated. So here you can see the layer name. Just type, let me see, I'm gonna choose layer 1. Just go back to manage, select segments and rename it. Okay, so you see this one, spline meshes. Click on add and drop this list and drag the mesh, the tilable mesh here. Road here has some intersections with the landscape. So to fix that, click on point and then click on segments and click on only selected. You can see here it will be updated and it paints the layer automatically. So later you can just adjust these points or keep clicking here. Let's raise this one up and select segments, only select it again. Yeah, okay, it's because of the handler. All right, it's working. Same for the other one, and it's working. So this landscape is just a test. It's where I test my shaders and test my stuff. It's not well optimized, so it's just a test. So if you want to change the mesh too, just click on landscape again, edit splines, and select all the segments. And you can change this one from this to the road with sign with fence, and it will be updated again. So here are the electric poles that I created using Maya, and I textured them in Substance Painter. So this one has a transformer and all these cables and fuse and all that stuff. So anyway, so let's just frame on one of these. Okay, so let's go back to prefabs folder and select one of the electric poles. All right, so just rotate it as you want. You can just drop and drag and drop some of these here and rotate them. For the cables, I use this one that I created. It's a blueprint for the wire spline. It's using this mesh, and just drag and drop this one here. Blueprint is the same for the fence. Just drag it here, click on the point and hold Alt and drag the cable to create some points. Okay, just to connect them together. You can just play around with the positions to get everything on its place. And that's all. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the product. It will be updated over the time. And make sure to leave me a message if there is any problems or issues for you. And have a great day.